In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Patreon. This is useful if you've started using a new email address, you want to keep your Patreon notifications separate from your personal inbox, or you're just doing a general security cleanup of your online accounts. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, and you can follow along on your own device. First, open your web browser and go to your Patreon membership dashboard. You can do this by typing Patreon's website address into the browser and logging in with your existing account details. Once you're logged in, you should land on your home or membership dashboard where you can see the creators you support and any posts or updates in your feed. Make sure you're on the main Patreon site, not inside a specific creator's page, so that all of your account options are visible. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left-hand column, find and click on the option for your personalized settings. This area controls your account details and preferences. If you don't see it right away, you may need to expand the menu or scroll a little. Clicking this will open your general account settings page, where you can manage things like your profile, notifications, and importantly for us, your email address. Once you're in your settings, locate the email field. This is where your current email address is displayed. Click directly inside that email field, delete the old address if it's still there, and then carefully type in the new email you want to use for your Patreon account. Take a moment to double check the spelling, especially things like dots, dashes, and the part after the @ symbol. If you type it incorrectly, you might miss important account emails or confirmation messages. When you're sure the new email is correct, scroll down if needed and click on the Save button. This tells Patreon to update your account with the new email address you just entered. After clicking Save, wait a moment for the page to refresh or for a confirmation message to appear. In many cases, Patreon will send a confirmation email to the new address you provided. It's a good idea to open your email inbox in a new tab, look for a message from Patreon, and follow any verification link they include. Once you've done that, your new email will be fully active on your Patreon account and you're all set.